Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see how we can utilize a VirusTotal for hunting of subdomains. So VirusTotal is one of the very famous utility or a tool which has been used since several years by the community to identify if they come across any malicious or harmful files. So in case you have downloaded any particular file and you are not sure is that the file safe or it contains some type of a malware, then you can simply upload the file on VirusTotal and check if the file is being infected by any of the malwares or virus or a worm. So VirusTotal basically scans your particular file against top 40 to 50 antiviruses, and the file signature is being checked with all the database signatures of all the AV, that is the antivirus, and if it matches the signature, then it is going to say you, all right, this file looks suspicious or the file is malicious, do not install that particular file or do not run that particular file. So VirusTotal is a very useful utility into our day-to-day life as well, wherein if you come across any file or any data that you do not trust or you do not know the source, you can simply, before interacting with that particular data or the file, scan it on VirusTotal and you will get your results. If the file turns out to be clean, then you can simply use that particular file or interact with that particular file. If the file comes out to be infected, it's highly recommend that you remove that particular file from your computer. All right, so it is the practical time and let's see how can we utilize a VirusTotal as well as use it for doing subdomain enumeration. You have to type a virustotal.com into your browser and you will come across this GUI. Over here, let me first show you how you can identify if there are some malicious or harmful files that you have downloaded, but you do not know if those files are infected or not. So I'm going to upload a file quickly and check that that particular file contains a malware or not. So let me just take this particular XSS payload file and upload it. As you can see, I uploaded the file and it says no engines detected this particular file and it seems to be clean. As you can see, 0 detection out of 59 antivirus database signature. So these are the top antiviruses, as you can see: AVG, Avast, Bitdefender, Quick Heal, Komodo, Emisoft, Dr. Web, eScan, ESET, Not32, and so on. So most of the top antiviruses are there. It is around 59, which scanned our file and it came to a conclusion that this file is clean. Yes, there is nothing into this file because it is just a plain txt file, a document file, which does not contain any harmful or malicious malware inside it. All right, so this was it, how you can identify if the file is infected, which will be very helpful in long run if you come across any data which is from an untrusted source. Now let us see how you can use VirusTotal to identify any URLs that seems to be fishy. So let's say you get a phishing email and there is a link which says you can purchase your product or do shopping from this particular link, and you do not know if that particular link is malicious or suspicious. You can simply scan it using a VirusTotal URL scanner. So let us try to get one of such link from PhishTank. So PhishTank is a particular very good resource wherein you can find all the phishing and malicious website over here. As you can see, all the submissions that are being done by the users which are turned out to be phishing. So let us pick one particular domain from here. So let us pick this particular domain. Let's copy this, go to VirusTotal and put it over here. And let's see if VirusTotal flags this or identifies. Yes, as you can see, it is identified out of 79 to have identified this to be malicious or phishing. As you can see, CleanMX, SpamHorse, Fortinet and Certigo has identified this to be suspicious and malicious. So this way you can safeguard yourself from falling into any trap of these phishing links. So let us try to scan uber.com and let's see if it identifies it to be malicious or not. So as you can see over here, it is not malicious, it is a clean file. As we know that it is a clean file or clean website. Now let's go to the search feature, and here we are going to identify the subdomains. So now I'm going to enter the target. You can also enter the IP address. Based on that, we will be able to get information about the target. Also, we will get the subdomains. So we are going to put our target as uber.com and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you can see over here the file is clean, or the website it is clean. Let me just go on details and you can see all the DNS records over here. Here is the A records, MX records, which are the mail exchange server records. A records is where the domain uber.com is pointing to, which IP addresses. You can see last HTTPS certificate. So this is the certificate details that we can find over here. You can also see the whois lookup. These are the whois lookup details. You can see the Google results as well. How does it looks when someone searches Uber on Google? All right. Now let us go in relations. In relations, you will see, if you scroll down over here, then you can see the subdomains. Just click over here and you can see subdomains of Uber, login, API, partners, help. So let me just click one more time. You will be able to see more subdomains. Let me click one more time. More subdomains. Let me click one more time. So you get more subdomains. Let's try to click more and let's see if we get more and more subdomains. Yes, so we actually get a lot of subdomains for this particular target, which can be utilized later on for hunting. We need to identify if the subdomains are live or not. We will do that using other tools. And after we have identified these subdomains to be live, we can start our hunting on these subdomains, as these subdomains can be a very good low-hanging fruit which has been missed by other security researchers. So I hope you guys understood how you can utilize a VirusTotal for scanning of subdomains as well. Thank you.